Understanding rowing tank in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a unique phrase, rowing tank. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how it's used in different contexts. So, let's get started. A rowing tank is not about tanks in the military sense, but it's about the sport of rowing. A rowing tank is a special facility used for training in rowing. It's essentially a large pool of water equipped with rowing seats and oars. This allows rowers to practice their technique on land, simulating the conditions of rowing on water. It's particularly useful for training during off-seasons or when water conditions are not suitable for rowing. Why is a rowing tank important? It's a crucial tool for beginners and experienced rowers alike. For beginners, it provides a safe and controlled environment to learn the basics without the risk of capsizing or dealing with unpredictable water conditions. For experienced rowers, it offers a space to refine technique, build strength, and maintain fitness levels, especially when they cannot train on water. In conversation or writing, when someone mentions a rowing tank, they are usually referring to this training facility. For instance, you might hear, "The team is practicing in the rowing tank today due to the bad weather." This helps you understand that the team is training on land instead of on water. So there you have it. Now you know what a rowing tank is and how it plays a significant role in the world of rowing. We hope this video has been informative and interesting for all our English language learners and enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep learning and see you in our next video.